Welcome to Current Affairs 360. You have got 50 questions and each question carries 1 mark. After the completion of quiz, comment your score in the comment box. Which state celebrated its Formation Day on 3rd November 2025? MP. Who won the ICC Women's World Cup 2025? India. Who inaugurated the new AI Research Center in Hyderabad on 3rd November? KTR. Which train ran its first solar-powered service in Delhi on 3rd November? Metro. India signed a defense cooperation pact with which country on 3rd November? US. Which CM was sworn in for his record 4th term in MP on 3rd November? Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Which vaccine received final WHO approval in India for malaria? Mosquirix. Which Indian state launched the Mission Zero Waste campaign on 3rd November? Kerala. Supreme Court ordered which city to implement ODI for pollution control? Delhi. Who won India's first gold at World Para Athletics 2025? Shailesh Kumar. Which summit did India host in New Delhi on 3rd November? BIMSTEC. Which Indian state announced a rooftop solar subsidy for urban homes on 3rd November? Maharashtra. Who was named as ICC Men's Player of Month for October 2025? Abhishek Sharma. What new technology did ISRO announce for real-time disaster alerts on 3rd November? GeoSMS. Which industry was added to India's PLI scheme in November 2025? Green hydrogen. Which leader addressed Urban Mobility India Conference in Lucknow? Hardeep Singh Puri. Which state banned single-use plastics from 3rd November 2025? Assam. Who was appointed India's new Solicitor General on 3rd November? Tushar Mehta. Which private bank launched a rural digital banking initiative on 3rd November? HDFC. India's Defence Ministry cleared procurement of which fighter jets? Tejas Mk2. Which state's tableau celebrated its tribal culture in Delhi's parade? Odisha. India's U19 men's football team defeated which nation 2-0 in AFC qualifier? Bangladesh. Which city held the National Startup Championship finals? Hyderabad. Which scheme in MP aims to provide interest-free loans for women entrepreneurs? Mukhyamantri Mahila Udyamita. Which country did India sign an agreement with for rail infrastructure? Japan. Which player made a record 200 in ODI cricket for India versus Australia 3rd November? Shubman Gill. In which city did India host Global Media Congress? Delhi. Which IIT launched India's first quantum computing lab on 3rd November? IIT Delhi. Which bank received approval for merger with its housing finance arm on 3rd November? HDFC. Who inaugurated the Solar Expo in Hyderabad on 3rd November? K.T. Rama Rao. Which Indian city was selected as a UNESCO Creative City in November 2025? Lucknow. Who launched the Fit India Week 2025? Anurag Thakur. Which state government declared November as Heritage Month in 2025? Punjab. Which UN agency partnered with India for mental health campaign on 3rd November? WHO. Which new train service started between Delhi and Jammu on 3rd November? Vande Bharat. Who won gold in India's first international drone racing league? Rohan Kapoor. Which government launched Farmers Digital Diary app on 3rd November? UP. Which private airline announced new direct flights to Andaman on 3rd November? Indigo. Which city's school launched EV-based transport for differently abled students? Chennai. Which woman cricketer was announced as India's captain for T20 series in November 2025? Harmanpreet Kaur. Which scheme was introduced in MP for easy crop insurance registration? Shivraj Fasal Bima. Who is India's chief negotiator for climate talks in Dubai 2025? Bhupender Yadav. Which startup won Best Innovation at Solar Expo in Hyderabad 3rd November? SunEdge. What program did the Health Ministry launch for diabetes awareness? India Diabetes Week. Which Hyderabad lab developed COVID nasal vaccine approved 3rd November? Bharat Biotech. Supreme Court ordered equal pay for women officers in which central force? CISF. Which airport in India had record solar capacity installed by 3rd November? Cochin. Who was appointed India's ambassador to South Korea on 3rd November? Gaurang Lal Das. Which company received National CSR Award for Clean Water Project 3rd November? ITC. India's parliament debated what bill related to digital privacy? Data Protection Bill. Subscribe to our channel for updated current affairs on daily basis. Thank you.